So, I'm going to be showing you every Nerf gun I have. So, we'll start with the first one. I have, it's an X-Shot Nerf gun, and it has like you can put a bunch of Nerf bullets in it, and it can shoot really far. And I think you can put stuff at the top. And I like the design of it. And here's the other side. So that's one of the Nerf guns I have. And then so the next one, it's the same type of Nerf gun but different colors. Yeah, it has different patterns. And it's also by X-Shot. So I have X-Shot Insanity. It's you can combine this gun to make a big gun. So you can do that, and it has, you can pull this. That's how you like load the gun. And it has like, you can put 6 Nerf bullets in it. And it's also by X-Shot. And then I think it has like a, I don't think you can see it, but it has a, I forgot what it's called, but you can see through it to help you like shoot, like aim. And then I have another X-Shot Insanity, and there's like a whole circle thing of this, but I took it apart so it can fit into the box right there. So yeah. I think it can fit like over 80 bullets. Probably less, I don't know. But then I have a Fortnite gun that's automatic. And it's by Nerf. And I think you hold this button so it like starts like shooting, and then you can push this button to shoot it. And then there's like a thing to look through, like this. So it's automatic, and you don't have to like load it all the time. And then this big gun. It's upside down. Hold on. Yeah, it's a mini gun. It's huge, and then it comes with this attachment. This thing that you can put like on the bottom so it can stand up, but it's pretty small. But I think you can make it. Yeah, you can make it bigger. I didn't know that though. So next we have. This is the piece that goes with that big gun right here. Yeah. So and then I have a sniper. Oops. Okay, it has this thing you can look through. I think most of my guns have that. So the next thing is this small gun. You can put like a magazine in it and you shoot it. I think I drew that gun in a sketchbook. And then I have this small gun by X-Shot. So that's Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that this one is motorized, and I have this small one and a gel blaster, so it shoots Orbeez. I'm trying to get one. Yeah, they're blue and orange and white. The white ones can glow in the dark. So that's every single Nerf gun I have. Except this is not a Nerf gun, but it is by X-Shot. So that's all the Nerf guns I have.